so that they can take whatever actions are necessary to address this situation, including maybe to evacuate and remove people who are now residing there, which is again a very unfortunate situation. We have also given already municipality a compliance order to do what needs to be done to address this situation, because it's a non-attainable situation. It cannot continue as it is, and I just hope that in a few weeks to come we will sort this issue out, including giving that land to municipality so that appropriate actions can be implemented by the municipality to address this situation, including the removing people who are residing there, and also including illegal activities of burning tires, which can be very, very harmful to the people and to the residents of that town. So unfortunately, we cannot have this situation continuing, and that's why I said urgent actions need to be taken from legal point of view, from us giving that land to municipality. But if worse come to worse, even before those situations are resolved, the minister can also consider to even close off the use of that area totally, so that we can see what other solutions available to be used for the municipality to address this situation. So that's where we are, but we need to work together as a ministry, as a central government, as a regional council where municipality is, and with a local authority. Together we need to really and urgently address this situation. So that is where we are, and we are working around the clock and together with all the parties to make sure this is addressed as quickly as possible.